here on the west side of Buffalo. We have the second oldest housing stock in the nation. The upside of that is we have these incredible old historic homes from the Victorian era. The problem is they lack insulation, they have lead in the walls, there's asbestos in many cases, there's mold, all of which are triggers for serious sicknesses. That affects people in real ways.
I came to the West Side in 1980, and I looked around and I saw about 25, 30 different houses, but a lot of them were out of my means. You look at it and you say, I gotta be able to afford what I could afford. And this place just happened to open up. It had a backyard, had a driveway, but it's an older house, and it was like, there was work to be done. But then 2 years ago, I was hospitalized with kind of a lung infection. And they kept saying, well, we don't know what the source is. And then one day I'm sitting down and I said, I gotta get something from the back room. Went in there and the room was black. Black mold, yes. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to go. And I didn't want people to know because I was scared the city was gonna come and say, you can't live here. And then where am I gonna go?
Being trapped in a dwelling that you know is making you sick is emotional, and it carries a lot of weight. And so Push started 13 years ago to address comprehensively the challenge of unhealthy and unaffordable housing in our community.
Luz needed major repair done. She's also a fixed income with health issues, and she's, it's people like that you don't want to see suffer.
I was home thinking, how am I gonna get through all this? And somebody knocks on the door from Push. They told me about all the programs that they had. They kept saying, we can help you, there's stuff we can do. Then they came in and it was like, okay, we gotta get a mold person here. We got people that need to look at your roof, people that need to look at the wall that's crumbling down. I mean, from the moment they came, they made me feel involved. And that made a big difference in giving me a lot of hope.
We have partnerships with labor unions, with a whole array of community justice groups, with health groups, with universities, bringing resources to our communities for the work that needs to get done. And so we've really transformed hundreds of dwellings in this community from unhealthy, toxic places to live to being quality, affordable housing. That means fewer hospital visits, healthier children, and more wealth building and jobs.
What's unique about Push is we've really taken cues from the community to do the work that we've done. It's not, oh, look what we can do for you. Here's a present. We are real people with real power. And the reason why we're so successful is we've been able to develop leaders and empower people to stand up for themselves.
They got me involved in going to meetings and learning the things that I need to do to help myself and to help my community. They gave me a sense of power.